Okay, so let's try to start our session till your friends come. So today, inshallah, we are going first to talk about some activities in our country. And after that, we are going to have a grammar part. It's very, very important and it's easy in the same time. So I want you now to think about your country and think about the fun activities that you can do in your country. Okay, first tell us what is the name of your country?
Now I live in Dammam. I can go to swimming, take a boat, diving.
Thank you. What about you, Mustafa?
Now I'm living in Qatar, Doha.
Yeah.
Activities when we'd like to go to the fun, we visit all the places like Souk Waqf, these traditional places here in Qatar, or going to Islamic Museum.
So I have here some activities, some different activities that you can do. So number one, the first activity here, to jump out of an airplane. So this is activity like it is so to jump out from an airplane. The next one, and I like this one, it's called scuba dive, and we have here to hike a glacier or a glacier. So we can call it glacier, okay, or you can call it glacier. Okay, any sentence in the English, and be careful to this. We start with something called subject.
Yes.
Okay, the subject, this is the person who does the action in the sentence. Okay, who does the action. So this subject, it could be two types. Number one, it could be a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so everyone now, it's time to practice here the conversation, you and your friend. But please try not to read it like a robot, like it's great to see you. No, we don't read it like that. Try to sing it, okay? Like, it's great to see you. Todd, have you been New Orleans long? Like, try to make it like you are singing, not just reading word by word, okay? Okay, so everyone here, thank you so much for coming today. Just be careful that the grammar part that we study, we need to study it again at home, and we need to practice the homework, and also the video is gonna be like very beneficial after studying the grammar. You need to like use it in speaking, so you not forget it, because if you just take the grammar and you leave it like that, you will forget it. Okay, so we need to use it as many times as we can.
لمزيد من المعلومات قوموا بزيارة موقعنا.